I'm Matt.
So my name's Drew Dronfield.
My name is Dom. I'm the owner of the car edition. We fix cars. What we're building here and what we try to build here is something that we can call home for the car edition.
Oh my God. That was the first thing that came to mind as soon as we hit the new site. Scaffolding everywhere, pallets of farming things, racking everywhere. It looked a mess, but I could see the vision, see where Dom and Prince wanted it to be and what he wanted it to look like.
We were very nervous because of the timescale. Timescale was very tight, so we moved into the unit and we had no functioning ramps because we've been failed numerous times by numerous people.
The one turnkey system that we use works across the board, from the start of the project to the installation, to the after sales, then to the calibrations and servicing on any sort of project is key. We have got 2 posters that have just been installed, ranging from 4 ton all the way up to 6 ton. We've also taken out all their old equipment from their other unit.
Obviously we had to get the main garage up and running first, which is the building that we're stood in now. So the technicians could move from the old site to the new site, and then we had to spend 3 days at the old site, removing the old lifts, transporting them up here using our own transport, and then reinstalling in the bottom workshop here.
I would definitely recommend purely due to customer service. I mean, the customer service was great. Purchase was easy, install went easy. You've done everything here. Electrics, air, ramps, and it all went to plan. It went so smooth and so well that we have literally no complaints.